Howdy, I am the supreme leader of Washing Machine Pasta Industries. And so today we're making this video showing you and the world all that we do here at this wonderful company. So howdy guys, thank you for coming out to this year's Board of Directors meeting. Unfortunately, Tim, our Vice President of Daycare and Electrical Engineering, couldn't be here today. He's been arrested again. And so this had nothing to do with Washing Machine Pasta. This was something completely different, so don't ask questions. As the supreme leader, I head the company and I have 4 vice presidents: the Vice President of Transportation, the Vice President of Daycare and Electrical Engineering, the Vice President of Pasta, and the Vice President of Snacks. I considered having a vice president to handle all of our legal issues that we always find ourselves running into, but then I realized that ChatGPT works just as fine and is free. And so first on the list, Jed, I was hoping to get an update from you on how the factory's doing.
Okay. Factory's, it's been pretty rough. The couple of employees we have that are supposed to be servicing the machines failed to provide adequate lubrication to some of the components. So what happens is, imagine metal on metal and it just rubbing against each other constantly. That's what happened. It caused some of our machines to break down.
And then a question for you. We were talking earlier about like new flavors and new types of sauce.
Fruity Pebbles, sweet and tangy barbecue sauce, and then the Copycat Chili's honey chipotle sauce is like our top 3 we have been working on right now.
And Greg, how is transportation doing?
So our initial shipments went out on schedule. We've moved into our testing phase, into our actual transportation phase. We started gathering our fleet of trucks. We were able to acquire one recently. Unfortunately, our driver crashed in Oklahoma, so our shipment that was going to Maine was not able to make it. So in the meantime, we've gone back to the Italian consul, and while Jenkins is recovering in the hospital, I'm having him learn Italian so that he can speak to them. Because initially we weren't able to make it on the same page because of the language barrier.
How long is Jenkins going to be holed up in the hospital?
He's in a coma right now, so it's we can't really say. And I've also taken out the life insurance policy on him, so hopefully that will be able to recoup some of the loss on the truck so that we can get more.
Let's see, Ruben, so you're our Vice President of Snacks. How's that going?
Seems like everyone's enjoying it. I know you haven't had your share yet, but we'll get that very soon. Sooner or later, I will get an allergy list for everyone. You know, I don't want to bring like chocolate when someone's like deadly allergic to chocolate. So I'll be asking you guys what allergies you guys have. But the next snack on the list is probably going to be dog food.
People are surprised that we meet in the PetSmart parking lot, and people ask why we do that. Well, Washing Machine Pasta Industries is not a traditional business, and so we're not going to thrive in a traditional business environment. We need the cutting-edge, innovative business environments, the kind that can only be found in the PetSmart parking lot.
Very convenient, less gas for me, less money spent, which means more money for us. So I think that's going to be the next step for now. Drinks will probably be...
Greg, turn off your phone.
I'm sorry, that was a phone call.
It's come to my attention that sea turtles are in danger. And so what occurred to me is that we could go out into the ocean and capture hundreds, maybe thousands of sea turtles, as many as we can, and then capture them, and then organizations like Greenpeace and the World Wildlife Fund will give us money to protect the sea turtles. And so I'm not sure if we would benefit by actively declaring it as a hostage situation, like give us money or we'll kill all the sea turtles, but I would like your input on what do you think the feasibility and cost benefit of this plan is?
I absolutely love that idea. I support that idea. What I'm thinking is we should capture as many sea turtles as we can and threaten to do something very awful to the sea turtles.
We threaten to kill the sea turtles and then they make money, and then we make money.
Yes.
Okay,
make more money.
Yeah, once they give us the money, we release the turtles, and then after that, we just capture them again.
You know, ultimately, if the turtle market dries up, and like if we kill all the sea turtles, then we can just move on to like penguins or elephants or like some other species that we can exploit in a similar manner.
Polar bears.
Polar bears.
Yeah, they're only in one continent anyway, so we'll be fine.
in the 1800s, Americans believed in the idea of manifest destiny, that the United States was destined to spread across North America. I believe in something similar for our company. Washing Machine Pasta Industries is destined to spread across every continent, every nation, every city. This is our destiny. There are people that doubt the feasibility of mass-producing pasta, but Washing Machine Pasta Industries is a force for good in this world. Soon we'll reach 11 billion people on this planet, and all of them need food. What the world needs right now is an abundant, cheap, reliable food source, and Washing Machine Pasta can deliver. We've come a long way in this company, and there's so many people that I'm grateful for. I'd like to thank Ruben for always bringing quality snacks to meetings. I'd like to thank Greg for not ruining all of my ideas. And I'd like to thank you, the viewer, who I know will empty your wallets to buy all of this pasta.